Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Volt key fob here. It works for these models 17, 19, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side, you will find this small button. Now you need to turn the fob like this, and when you see this small button over here, well, press it, and when you press it this way, you can very easily remove this mechanical key. Alright, now when you remove the mechanical key over here, and when you hold the fob just like this with the buttons facing down, you see this small hole over here. Now in this hole, you need to take the tip of the mechanical key and insert it right in this hole over here, and when you insert the tip, just twist it a little bit, push up to remove this back cover, and the whole idea here is just to separate this fob into two pieces. So when you separate this fob into two pieces, just like this here, you see your old dead battery on this side. So now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver or the tip of the mechanical key, insert here or here, it doesn't really matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just install your new battery, and make sure, very important here, this side here is the negative side facing up, so make sure this is correct side, and this step here is very important. Now when you place your new battery over here, these two pieces have to be aligned perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.